Assemble all the equipment you may need for the task. Warning signs, suction cleaner and attachments, stiff hand brush, dustpan and brush. You are now ready to commence. Position your warning signs and carry out safety checks on the equipment, including the bag and filter on the suction cleaner. Check the cable, working from the machine to the plug. Areas of a building often overlooked are the entrances. You should be aware that if you keep the entrance matting clean, this will considerably help to improve the rest of the building. The surface of the matting should be suction cleaned daily. The underneath and well on a weekly basis. It's a simple operation at a building's entrance, but one which will save you a lot of heartache throughout the rest of the building. So, at entrances you could be suction cleaning both a carpet and hard floor. But let's now consider the carpeting in corridors and rooms within the building. Where practicable, remove any furniture and large items before suction cleaning commences. Check and adjust the height of any brush or beater bar on the suction cleaner to suit the surface being cleaned. Attend to edges and corners first using a stiff brush and dustpan. Where a suction cleaner has attachments, select the correct tool for the purpose. Suction clean systematically over the area, paying particular attention to traffic lanes, ensuring you keep the cable behind you and your line of work at all times. On completion, unplug the machine and carry out all safety checks. Rewind the cable and check the bag and filter of the suction cleaner. Then clean and store equipment. Replace furniture and remove warning signs before leaving the area.